Hey everyone, the course is almost over, so I want to kind of let you know that you can get your own copy of SQL Server and install it on your own machine as long as you have a Windows operating system. Now, this means that my Mac users will need to install a virtual machine and install it that way on their Mac, or install it on a Windows machine that they may have or can get hold of. The thing to do is go out to SQL Server downloads and then look for the Developer Edition. Developer Edition has all the features of their big Enterprise Edition, but the cool thing is it's free. Now, you can't use it to make money off of it, but as long as you're using it as a student or just trying to learn it, it's perfect for you. So you click on the download and you download it. And then once it gets downloaded, it's actually not the entire program. It's the entire program is several gigs in size. You start it up, and what it's going to do is it's going to, as soon as I press this basic installation button, it's going to go and download the software and then do the installation. Now, for most people, just clicking on the basic option is enough. If it if you are just doing basic SQL stuff, that's fine. You can always add on more stuff later. I will say though that when you click on this, it doesn't really give you a whole lot of options about where it's going to go and other things, except for here it says the installation. You may have to change the drive. As you can see, it's going to take up 9 GB of space, so it's pretty hefty. And I don't have 9 GB of space on my C drive, which happens because a lot of times a particular the drive that came with your computer may be relatively small, especially like if you're on a Mac. So now I have successfully used a USB drive on my Mac, a little SD on my Mac Air that you put in the side. That works pretty well because it's fast enough, and successfully ran a virtual machine off of that and installed SQL Server and did that for my classes. So it's definitely possible. But if you're tight on space, that's something you have to think about. After that, you hit the install and let it cook. Now, you can find some additional options and examples. I do have videos about how to install it the more difficult way. The more difficult way would be to choose a custom installation, or you can download the media and then decide later. Clicking on this will download the 2 gigs of software, which will later on unzip and be, when it gets installed, 8 gigs. But the custom option gives you a lot of different things you can add on. Most students, though, probably just need this. That's all you need. And again, you can always come back and customize it later. Okay, I hope that helps, and I hope you guys choose to keep learning in the SQL language, and